Hey guys, thanks for checking out this 2017 Ram 1500 SLT. It does have a 5.7 liter V8 engine with the four-wheel drive option. Can see it is a very deep blue with the chrome silver accents here on the front and running back the side. For the front, you can see that you do have your pull bars down here as well as your fog lights. You have a black and silver grille here on the front. And you can see that on the side here, you do also have the extended mirrors with your turn signal indicators on the outside there as well. As far as tires are concerned, you're looking at a semi-aggressive tire here, and we will go over tread depths based on the inspection form that the mechanic has signed off on for the truck. You will find them in every single glove box for all of the vehicles that we have here on the lot. Looking at the passenger side door, you can see that you do have power locks as well as power windows. Kind of have a two-tone thing going on here with the gray on the black. Plenty of storage area here in the door then as well with your cup holder down here. Just taking a look in the glove box, we'll go ahead and go over that inspection form or the checklist that I was telling you about. So tire tread depths, you're at 20-30 seconds the whole way around. Brake pads, you're at 16 and 15-30 seconds. So you're not having to worry with any of that anytime soon. Plenty of tread depth left, plenty of brake pads left. You do also have your your manual book here as well. So any questions that you might have regarding the vehicle, you can always find that information in there. You do also have an additional storage compartment up top here, which is always nice. As far as the seats are concerned, for the passenger, you are going to have your manual seat, so you'll have this on the side, as well as moving it forward and backwards here on the front. Can see you have the Ram mats down here then as well. Taking a look here in the back seat, you can see that your back seat passengers are going to have plenty of leg room. Still, you have the gray cloth seating with the two-tone here on the middle. They're in very good condition. You do have the center console right here that is going to pull down for two cup holders in the middle, which is always convenient. You do also have this back window right here, which I will show you when I get to the driver's side that will open and close. Again, just looking here on the back, you can see the two-tone door. You still have the storage compartments, and then you're going to have your powered windows back here. Making our way to the rear, you can see that you do have the towing option back here, as well as the wiring for the lights. Going to have your backup camera right there. I'll just go ahead and note, you can see that there is a little bit of a scuff mark there on the handle for the bed. Bed liner, everything is in good condition as far as that is concerned. It's always nice to have those in the truck for you. Again, just coming around here to the side. Taking a look from the other driver's side for the back seat door is going to look identical to the other side then as well. We'll go ahead and hop in the driver's side here, get everything turned on. But first, what we're going to do is just go over the driver's door. So you can see here you do have your power locks, power windows, and your mirror adjustments. Again, you're still going to have the same storage space that you have on all the other doors. One difference is that your driver's side is going to actually have the powered seat. So forward, back, up, down, and your lumbar support. Here on the side, you're going to have all of your headlight options, parking brake down there, and then we will hop inside for the rest. Can see we do have two keys here, so you would get both sets. Turning the truck on, you can see on the left-hand side that you are going to have your Bluetooth options. This is what's going to work your display. On the right side, you're going to have your gears as well as your cruise control settings. Looking here, you can see that even though it is a 2017, it is extremely low miles with only 30,822 miles. So very low miles for the year, so definitely take advantage of that. Not going to have the normal gear shift. You're going to have the dial for your parking, reverse, neutral, and drive, and then your four-wheel drive options are down here then as well. Looking up here on your display, you're going to have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio. Your volume controls, it is a touch screen, so you can use that. Your AC settings down here. And then you're going to have your towing, heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated passenger side, and then your traction control there as well. You do have storage compartment right down here. And then for additional storage, this center console right here will fold up with your cup holders. Now I will also say this does serve as a 6th seat, so you can easily fold that back up. And then if you haven't had enough storage space so far, you can flip up the base of the seat for additional storage down there then as well. Go ahead and flip this back down just to show you how easy that is. Up here, you can see that you have this button here. This is what's going to operate and open and close that back window there. So really convenient as far as that is concerned. Going to have your mirrors with your display, and you can see that there's a little bit of stuff right here. It looks like it maybe was from a sticker. Over here, you have the same thing. Looking at the Carfax history report, can see that there have been no accidents or damages that have been reported on the vehicle. You do also have a mat up here, so you can set your phone, keys, whatever you may want. It is will like slip resistant kind of, so it won't allow it to slide around, which is always convenient. So what we'll do for the last portion of the video is just get out, take a look at any sort of dents, things, or imperfections that you might expect to find with the vehicle. Again, it is a 2017, so definitely is going to have them. As far as the interior is concerned, I did point out a couple. So up here on that mirror that we had, you can see a little bit of stainage then on this one over here. But overall, the interior is in great condition. There's some scuff marks here just on the door. That comes from getting in and out of the vehicle, but again, to be expected. We'll make our way around the exterior of the vehicle, noticing any sort of the dents, dings, or imperfections, and then we will let you know how you would contact us in order to get a hold or to come check out the vehicle. So making our way around here to the front, that's just a speck of dirt. Can see some scratches here on the hood, very minor in nature. Kind of have to let the lighting hit it a certain way to be able to see it. You can see that there's that mark there. Just some spotting on the back of the mirror. See a little white mark right down there. There's a couple of them, looks like a little stone chipping. So you have a little crack right there. Again, just noting the scuff mark that was back here that I had previously shown you, as well as this little mark right here. Overall, the condition of the bed liner is in pretty good shape. I will say that there's a little mark right over there on the top, and a couple of scrapes right here. And then not really noticing anything else on this side other than just a little bit of discoloration right there. So if you're thinking that this 2017 Ram 1500 is a great option for you, again, extremely low miles, please feel free to check us out online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Call us at 717-485-4224, or come down and visit the showroom at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Thank you and have a great day.